Title: Paris Pause in Love. A Vacation with Maya, Arav and Pixel. Duration: 2 minutes. Characters: Maya, Arav, Pixel. Curious, playful cat. Setting: Paris, Eiffel Tower, Montmartre, Seine River, and a cozy cafe. Scene 1. Morning arrival. Paris Airport. FX. Airport sounds. Airplane landing. Distant chatter. Maya excited. Bonjour, Paris. Arav holding Pixel's carrier. Pixel, say hello to the city of love. Pixel meows and pokes her head out, eyes wide in curiosity. Maya laughs. Look at her, she already loves the vibe. Scene 2. Eiffel Tower picnic spot below. FX. Gentle breeze. People chatting. Birds chirping. Arav. This view is unreal. Maya. Perfect place for our picnic. They spread out a blanket. Pixel climbs onto a baguette. Maya laughing. Pixel. That's not for climbing. Arav. Maybe she wants to be a French baker now. Scene 3. Montmartre artistic streets. FX. Street music. Footsteps on cobblestone. Maya. These artists are amazing. Arav. Should we get a sketch of Pixel? Artist draws Pixel sitting proudly. She poses like a diva. Maya. She's such a Parisian queen already. Scene 4. Seine River sunset walk. FX. Water gently flowing. Soft accordion music. Arav. This river walk feels like a dream. Maya. Look at Pixel watching the boats. Pixel sits at the edge, mesmerized by water reflections. Arav. I think this is her favorite part. Scene 5. Evening cafe outdoor table with lights. FX. Cafe ambience. Glasses clinking. Faint laughter. Maya. Paris has been magical. Arav. Best trip ever, and Pixel agrees. Pixel snuggles on Maya's lap, eyes slowly closing. Maya softly, from now on, every trip includes her. Fade out as Eiffel Tower sparkles in the distance. Text on screen. Love, lights and whiskers. A Paris story.